Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make time for yourself using Microsoft To Do. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to to-do.office.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all of Microsoft To Do's features and allow you to organize your personal time effectively. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see all your task lists. At the top of this sidebar, you'll find an option that says New List. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll create a dedicated space specifically for scheduling your personal activities and making sure you actually follow through with them. A text field will appear asking you to name your new list. Type in something meaningful like personal time or me time, whatever resonates with you. Once you've entered the name, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard to create the list. This list will now serve as your personal sanctuary within your task management system, separate from work or other obligations. Now it's time to start adding your personal activities. Click on Add a Task at the top of your new list. In the task field that appears, type in a specific personal activity you want to commit to, such as read a book for 30 minutes or go for an evening walk. Be as specific as possible so you know exactly what you're committing to. After entering the activity, click on the task to expand its details and input a due date. This helps you stay accountable and ensures you actually set aside time for yourself. Continue this process and repeat it until you've listed all the personal activities you want to make time for. Think about activities that truly recharge you, whether it's meditation, journaling, exercising, or simply spending time on a hobby. Each activity gets its own task entry with a due date attached. Once you've added your activities, hover your mouse over one of the tasks in your list. You'll notice an information icon appear on the right side of the task. Click on this icon to open up the task details panel. This is where you can customize how often you want this personal time to happen. Inside the task details, look for an option labeled Repeat and click on it. A menu will pop up giving you several scheduling options, including daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. These options allow you to automate your personal time so it becomes a regular habit rather than something you have to manually schedule every time. For example, if you want to ensure you have personal time every week, click on Weekly. This will automatically repeat the task every week, creating a consistent routine that prioritizes your well-being. You can choose different repeat patterns for different activities based on what works best for your lifestyle. And that's it. You've successfully created a dedicated system for making time for yourself using Microsoft To Do, ensuring your personal activities become regular, scheduled parts of your routine rather than afterthoughts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.